Hello to my fellow colleagues and seniors. I am Mohit Goloi, Vice President, Health, Safety and Environment Runwal Group. I have been associated with this Health, Safety and Environment Sustainability Conscious organization from the last 3 years. Runwal Group was established in 1978 by its visionary chairman, Sri Subhash Runwal. Runwal Group is one of the Mumbai's premier real estate firms operating in the residential, commercial and organized retail verticals. In last 4 decades, Runwal Group has executed over 50 landmark projects. However, the group measured its quantum of success through its 25,000 happy customers residing in those projects. With a robust track record, the group has continuously striven to keep its customer as a focal point in the designing, planning and construction of its projects. Much of the group's success lies in its dynamic approach, professional project management team and strong commitment to customer delight. Runwal Group has won the prestigious OSH India Awards 2019 in the category Innovation in OSH Environmental Management. This platform has given Runwal Group an opportunity to shine as an HSE leader by winning the prestigious OSH India Awards 2018 and 2019 among stalwarts across the industry in India. We will continue to be the guiding light for aspiring organizations who wish to stay ahead of the curve by participating in these prestigious awards and showcase their best practices. I remember that D-Day, 20th of March 2020, while we were carrying out safety audit at one of our projects in Mumbai. Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Uddhav Thackeray announced complete lockdown of the Maharashtra state with effect from 21st of March 2020. From that moment onwards, Runwal management took a firm step to retain the 1200 migrant workers residing at their various workmen accommodation camp at Runwal projects. Runwal Group Migrant Workers Welfare Management Task Force was formed under the direct leadership of the Managing Director, Sri Subodh Runwal. Subodh Runwal, Managing Director, Runwal Group, states that we appreciate the government's measures in curbing this deadly pandemic. As a responsible corporate, Runwal Group too have taken utmost care and precautions and are also adhering to government initiatives. All our employees have shown solidarity with self-governance and are working from home. He assured that adequate resources shall be provided for the welfare of the migrant workers who are residing in our workmen accommodation camp. We discussed with workers and assured them of 100% care, safety and security during this period of lockdown. The benefits extended to these migrant workers during their normal working days were continued, like 24/7 electricity and water supply, complete sanitization of the worker accommodation camp twice a week, adequate number of reusable cotton cloth masks were provided, hand sanitizers, foot operated hand wash systems and thermal temperature monitoring. Skit was conducted by camp coordinator and doctor to sensitize the workers about the COVID-19 viruses and how we can safeguard ourselves and our co-workers from this infectious virus. Visit by occupational health doctors who were appointed at our site to check the COVID-19 symptoms and general health care of the workers twice a week. Midday meal and dinner was provided to all our 1200 workers who were residing in the camp on daily basis. This initiative was carried out in association with the Maharashtra Building and Other Workers, Construction Workers Welfare Board. Adequate groceries, vegetables and other essential items were stocked in the kirana, that is the general store within the project, and distributed at free of cost to all the workers. Adequate documentation done in order to provide rupees 2000 rupees directly credited into the account of the registered building workers. This was also done in association with the Maharashtra Building and Other Workers Constructions Welfare Board. Adequate police documentation was done to help those workers who were interested to return back to their hometown. Psychological support was also provided to these migrant workers as counsel and guiding them during this time of distress. As a result, most of the workers have resumed to work post-lockdown. I am proud to announce that all the 1200 workers who were residing in our camps are safe and sound, and none of them are COVID-19 positive. Key steps taken by the Runwal management to ensure smooth working post-lockdown are as follows. Runwal management formed a cross-functional team to work out a COVID-19 control procedure to achieve normalization post-lockdown. All employees were encouraged to work from home and contribute to the growth of the organization during lockdown. Team meet was organized on weekly basis on video conferencing platforms to connect with them during this time of distress. Employees were encouraged to attend webinars to enhance their skills. All employees were trained in COVID-19 control procedures and do's and don'ts during and post lockdown through webinars, online training and employee handbook. Things that Runwal Group has done differently to facilitate normalization post lockdown are pre-monsoon preparedness permission from MCGM and police to ensure safety of substructure during monsoon. Limited team are working at site in compliance with the approval provided by MCGM. Each employee contractor workforce shall read and sign a commitment which consists of 10 vital control measures that they have to implement, abide and accept as the new normal. Body temperature being measured by thermal sensor guns of all employees, workers and visitors at point of entry of site. Foot operated hand wash units is installed at conspicuous locations, namely the project entrance, labor camp, canteen and sites. Reusable cotton cloth mask has been provided to all the employees and workers to avoid generation of hazardous waste due to use of disposable masks. We have trained our in-house housekeeping team to sanitize our office space, project site, canteen, internal transport vehicle, employees' cars and bikes and the worker accommodation camp. We are using 0.2% by quantity sodium hypochlorite chemical solution added with 98.8% by quantity water. 33% staffing is ensured. Odd and even formula is being implemented. Post lockdown, we have planned to work in 2 shifts to ensure safety and expedite progress to meet the RERA guidelines. Head office staff will continue to work from home till public transport system normalizes, and 50% staffing will join site and office who are having their personal car and bike and authorized e-passes. Fitness check will be carried out of all the employees and all the contractor workforce who joins office by our appointed occupational health specialist. All employees and workers are re-inducted in our HSC induction process and COVID-19 control measures. Arogya Setu app is downloaded by all our employees and workforce to assess their health condition and report to immediate superiors and our human resource department in case of any symptoms. Quarantine rooms has been created in worker accommodation camp for isolating the migrant workers who have returned from their hometown to work at site post lockdown. They will be for home quarantine for 14 days before they can resume work. Process in place for COVID-19 asymptomatic and symptomatic cases, identifying, reporting and coordinating with authorities for testing and further action. We have taken the COVID-19 crisis as a challenge and also as an opportunity to reduce cost and dependency on the labor manpower and make use of advanced technology and machinery to compensate for the lost time and shortage of manpower. Thank you. Namaste.